In this quick video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Microsoft Rewards points in 2026. This is a super easy Microsoft Rewards points glitch that you can use right now to get 100,000 free points. And guys, these are pretty hard to obtain this much. So yeah, this is the fastest and easiest method. And this actually uses a working code that you can redeem in Microsoft Rewards. And it is going to supply your account 100,000 points. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for new and improved Microsoft Rewards methods. And yeah, once you get your code, guys, you simply redeem it in the redeem code part of the platform on Microsoft Rewards. So let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. You can do this on desktop, but it is so much easier on your mobile phone. So open up the internet and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So you just got to type it exactly like this, guys. You can pause the video and copy that down, but Crash Coupons is basically a game code website. They actually have codes for tons of other things as well. So they do have a page dedicated on here for Microsoft Rewards points. So just type in Microsoft. This is the Microsoft Rewards page. You can see there is only one verified working code, but this code is going to give you 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards points. And this is working in 2026. These are limited codes, but there are tons of them. You can see there's 230 verified codes. So I did this morning and it took me about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it considering what you're getting. So as you can see, you need to unlock your Microsoft Rewards points code. This basically stops people taking all of the available codes. So unlock your code by clicking this button, and you're going to see this screen here. It tells you exactly what you need to do, guys. So all you need to do is complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So essentially, guys, you're going to see a list of tasks on this page. They are completely free, but you do need to make sure you follow the instructions to ensure you do fully complete each task you choose. So as you can see, it's like download, install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So you would tap on it and it'll give you some instructions here where you just need to search for this app in the App Store, and then you would download it. So yeah, just complete 2 of them. There's also free surveys where you basically tap on it and you just have to answer some questions. So that will load up if you had good internet. But anyway, yeah, just complete 2 tasks, take your time, fully complete them, and it will redirect you back to Crash Coupons, and your Microsoft Rewards points code will be revealed. You can redeem it in the platform, and that is going to credit you with 100,000 Microsoft Rewards points for completely free. So go to Crash Coupons. If you need any help or have any questions, do let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.